Hey everyone, I hope you're safe and quarantining well. I'm back with a new video and I'm gonna share some useful productivity hacks that you can use while you're working or studying from home. It's so difficult to focus at home, especially when you have so many distractions. So maybe these tips can motivate you. So without any further delay, let's get started. Starting off with the first hack, which is known as the Swiss cheese method. So, this is a technique that you can use to stay productive throughout the day. Write down a list of things that you have to complete and start with the one that's most important or the hardest to complete. Work on that specific task for about 10 to 15 minutes and then switch it up with a relatively easier task. So, this inspires you to stay productive throughout, and your most important task may not be that boring or difficult as you're completing it in multiple chunks throughout the day. A typical example would be probably if you've enrolled for an online course. So, if the course is over 5 hours, it might seem boring and tiring to finish it all in continuation. So, switching it with other simpler tasks and going through it in smaller chunks allows you to finish it by the end of the day and complete it with your other tasks as well. My next tip is to time block all your tasks. Putting a time and scheduling your list of activities and tasks for the day is the best way to stay productive and be accountable for it during the day when you aren't finishing it. All you have to do is plan out a night before using a calendar or any app of your preference to schedule your tasks. So I use the Google Calendar to slot and schedule my tasks, which also helps me to add reminders. You can also go with the traditional method of tracking it all down using a notebook and pen if that's your preference. So use these blocks of time to focus on one particular task only. And after every task, give yourself a break. It's that simple. Think on paper and brain dump. In order to have a clear vision and clarity about your goals, writing them all down in a piece of paper is a way to really motivate yourself to complete the goals. So I also mentioned in a previous productivity video, which you can totally check out, I'll link it down in the description below, about writing things down and maintaining a not to do list and a to do list. So this increases your productivity levels, and the people who practice this on a daily basis accomplish 5 to 10 times as much as people who never take the time to write down exactly what they want. It doesn't even matter if they have better education or ability. People writing down their goals performed and actually completed their tasks according to the research. You can categorize your tasks as daily, weekly, or monthly goals, or even randomly scribble down regular thoughts that you have in your mind. Take some time out for this activity, about 5 to 10 minutes, and write down all the goals that you have. It's okay if they're not organized category wise. Just write whatever comes to your mind and what you think. Categorize each task as either important, unimportant, or urgent, and depending on what's the most important, plan your daily or weekly schedule based on that. This way, you get to complete all your important tasks quickly and efficiently. Another similar method that you can use is the ABCDE method. So you categorize and list your items based on their importance and urgency, but every letter signifies something. So for example, an item signified as A implies something that you must do, so it's very important. It is a task that will have serious negative consequences, or it is bad if you don't do it. Hence, it must be something that you need to finish. Similarly, a task B signifies that you should do it, but it is not very important. So in the same manner, you can list down all the activities according to A, B, C, D, and E. So this helps you focus on the most important tasks efficiently again. This is a little difficult to achieve, but it works amazing if you can assume your imagination to be real for a while. All you have to do is set a deadline for each task as if you'll have to submit it by then and work on it. Add it as a reminder on your phone or your to-do list that you'll have to complete it before a specific time period. Just imagine a situation if you want to make it simpler. Like imagine you suddenly got an email stating that particular task has to be completed in a day, and work on it like a serious project deadline. So this is a great way to avoid distractions as well. Finally, one of my favorite tips: allocate some time only for yourself. Even if you're working from home, make sure that you prioritize your me time by doing some activity that you enjoy. It could be reading your favorite book, listening to your favorite songs, just to ensure that you keep giving yourself a few breaks in between your work or study schedule to just unwind and relax. Regular breaks is set to boost your mind and enhance your energy levels for tackling the next set of activities. So enjoy that 15-minute break, doing the things that make you really happy. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Do comment and let me know what your favorite productivity hack is. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.